I'd like to share a short, small little story with you. Okay. Uh, don't review it. Just listen to it. Okay. It's not a bedtime story. So please don't take your pillows out, and it's just a short message which I like to share with all of you. Once upon a time, many years ago, there were these wise men who were going through the world in search of the true meaning of life. And they had traveled for many a year. And one day they were going through this desert, the Sahara Desert, looking, searching for the true meaning of life. When finally, tired, fed up for searching so many years, they threw their bags down, got off their camels, looked up to the heavens, and said, God, what is the true meaning of life? And then suddenly, like you see in the Hindi movies, the sky turned dark. Lightning, thunder. And then they heard the oracle. Oracle is the voice of God. Okay? And they heard the oracle saying, do not feel sad. Go forth into the desert and pick as many pebbles as you can, for tomorrow morning you shall know great happiness, yet great sadness. And it was light again, and the voice disappeared. And these wise men, they were the wisest men in the land, looked at each other and said, so long we have been looking for the true meaning of life? Is this the meaning of life? And quite honestly, quite disgusted, and just, as they say, naam ka raste, they picked up a few pebbles on the way, put them in their sacks, got onto their camels, and went forth till night came, and they put up camp, and they slept quite dejected. Next morning, when they woke up, they opened these bags, and they found that each pebble had turned into a pure diamond. And then they remembered the voice, the oracle, the voice of God. Great happiness, yes, great happiness, that their mere pebbles had turned into wonderful diamonds. But yet great sadness, that they had not believed and not picked up enough pebbles. And students, through your life, you're now in classes 6, 7, 8, maybe 5. You will keep picking up pebbles on the way. COVID-19, stuck at home, nothing to do, can't meet my friends, bored, pebble. Mommy shouts at me that I'm not doing my homework, pebble. Teacher gives me a scolding because while the online class is on, I'm on my mobile playing PUBG, pebble. Daddy shouts at me because I'm watching too much television, too much Netflix, pebble. Collect all these pebbles on the way. One day, when you go through your journey of life, you will look back and you will open that wonderful bag and you will see that all these pebbles which you had thought of now are actually true diamonds which will help make you better, stronger, and lovelier human beings.